So we just arrived in Raleigh, North Carolina. This is the capital city of North Carolina. We arrived... Hey guys, thanks for watching today's video. If you want to see more from us, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. We just arrived in Raleigh, North Carolina. This is the capital city of North Carolina. We arrived and it's raining, so it's not the best weather, but it's okay. Still visible, you can see the city. So we're gonna take you to the downtown with us right now. Just do a quick little tour, see what we can see. I don't know if we can do much walking. I usually like to walk. I wanted to walk around the downtown, but because of the rain, that might prove to be a little difficult. But let's get there and let's check it out and see what we can do. Make sure to follow our social media accounts, where we'll be posting more content related to this YouTube channel.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. sound right, boys. It sound right, boys. It sound right, boy.
So we just finished our quick little day tour of Raleigh, the capital of North Carolina, and it was really nice. I think it's a very livable city. There wasn't a lot of touristy things to do, or at least what we like to do. It is a walkable city, but I would say there's only one main street that you can walk on. It has all those really tall buildings, high rises, and it was nice. I was actually surprised how the city seems pretty empty for being a working day. I mean, it is 6:30, but it was nice overall. We drove in with bad weather. It was pouring rain, and it was raining when we went to visit the Capitol building, but then it cleared up, so we got lucky. That seems to be the weather here in summer. It's like rain and then sunny and then rain again, so it wasn't too bad. We got to enjoy the city. I mean, you can stay longer if you need to, but a few hours here, I feel accomplished. I feel like we saw the city. I liked it. I would say that Raleigh is my second favorite city so far in North Carolina. First being Charlotte. I like Charlotte a little more, but this was definitely my second, and then I would say Greensboro, and then probably Durham in that order. So they're just different. Raleigh and Charlotte were bigger cities, and they just had a different vibe to them. So if you're gonna have to come to one of these cities, those are the two I would recommend. Charlotte would be my number one, and you could spend maybe a day here in Raleigh, maybe longer if you find other things to do, but it's more of a livable city, not a really tourist city. The good thing about Greensboro and Durham was that I feel like they were very historical cities, so there was a lot of history going on there, and that was nice, versus here in Raleigh I didn't see a lot of historical things happening, or sites to go visit and see. The nice thing about those historical sites in Greensboro and in Durham that we visited, all of them were free entry. Of course, you can make a donation. They have gift shops, so you can purchase stuff, little souvenirs from the American Civil War, and that will help go towards the little museums and all of that. But overall, really nice day, and now we are gonna try to beat the dark. It is 6:30, gets dark at 8:30, and we have a 2.5-hour drive from Raleigh all the way north to Richmond, Virginia. So might be driving like half an hour in the dark, but that's okay. I think we accomplished a lot today, and we're just gonna keep on moving up north. So next stop is gonna be Virginia. So actually my favorite thing that we did in Raleigh, believe it or not, was go visit the Nature Research Center. We didn't even go inside, but they have this big world outside, and it's like huge. I saw it in a picture and I said, oh, that's pretty cool, but I thought it was like medium sized. I don't know how to put it, but I didn't think it was that big. We got there and it was huge, so that was really cool. I actually really enjoyed seeing that. It was pretty unique. I haven't seen something like that before, so that was actually my favorite thing that we did on this little quick tour of Raleigh, North Carolina. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up like button down below, and thanks so much for doing that in advance. Also, if you have any questions or comments, make sure you leave those down below in the comment section. If you have any suggestions for future videos that you'd like to see, leave those as well in a comment down below. I'll get to those as soon as I can. Don't forget to share this video on social media with friends.